Looking expensive has nothing to do with wearing designer labels or spending thousands of dollars. The most elegant women over 60 know a different secret. They choose the right colors, the perfect fit, and timeless details that instantly make them look sophisticated. Today, I'll share 5 style secrets that can transform your entire appearance, without transforming your budget. Stay until the end, because the 5th secret is the one truly elegant women never overlook. Have you ever noticed that some women walk into a room and instantly look elegant, even before anyone notices what they're wearing? That's because true luxury is never just about clothes. It's about presence. The way you stand. The way you walk. The way you smile. These quiet details create a powerful first impression that no designer label can buy. An elegant woman doesn't rush. She moves with purpose. Her shoulders are relaxed, her posture is confident, and every step reflects calm self-assurance. She doesn't feel the need to impress everyone around her. Instead, she lets her confidence speak quietly. That quiet confidence is often what people describe as looking expensive. Eye contact also matters. Looking at people with warmth and respect shows confidence without saying a single word. A gentle smile makes you appear approachable, graceful, and timeless. Another secret is simplicity. Elegant women don't constantly adjust their clothes, check their appearance, or seek approval. They feel comfortable in their own style, and that comfort becomes part of their beauty. Remember, people may forget the handbag you carried or the shoes you wore. But they will always remember how you made them feel when you walked into the room with confidence, kindness, and grace. Looking expensive after 60 is not about owning more. It's about carrying yourself with dignity, elegance, and quiet confidence every single day. And that is a style that never goes out of fashion. Many people believe that looking expensive means buying luxury brands. But the truth is, the fabric you wear often matters more than the name on the label. Elegant women over 60 understand that quality can be seen before a logo is ever noticed. A beautifully tailored cotton shirt, a soft cashmere sweater, a flowing silk blouse, or a well-made linen dress always creates a refined impression. These fabrics move naturally, feel comfortable, and hold their shape throughout the day. They don't need flashy patterns or oversized logos to stand out. Their beauty comes from simplicity and excellent craftsmanship. When shopping, don't ask yourself, is this a famous brand? Instead, ask, does this fabric feel soft? Does it drape beautifully? Will it still look elegant after many wears? Those questions will guide you toward timeless style. Even a simple outfit can look incredibly sophisticated when the fabric is rich, clean, and well cared for. On the other hand, an expensive designer piece made from poor quality material will never create the same elegant impression. Another habit of stylish women is taking care of their clothes. They steam wrinkles, remove lint, polish shoes, and store garments properly. These small habits make every outfit look more luxurious. Remember, true elegance is not measured by price tags. It's reflected in the quality you choose and the care you give to every piece you wear. The most expensive-looking women aren't always wearing the most expensive clothes. They're simply wearing beautiful fabrics with confidence, grace, and timeless style. Have you ever noticed that some women look elegant, even in the simplest clothes? The secret is rarely the price. It's the fit. Clothes that fit your body properly always look more refined than expensive clothes that are too tight or too loose. Elegant women over 60 don't chase trends. They choose pieces that flatter their shape and allow them to move comfortably. A blazer should sit naturally on your shoulders. Sleeves should end neatly at the wrist. Trousers should skim the body without pulling or sagging. Dresses should create a clean silhouette instead of hiding your figure completely. Good tailoring makes a simple outfit look custom-made. Many stylish women buy affordable clothing, then have small adjustments made by a tailor. Shortening sleeves, adjusting hems, or shaping the waist can completely transform an outfit. These small details are almost invisible, but everyone notices the overall result. The outfit feels polished, balanced, and effortless. Another important habit is choosing the right size instead of the size you wish you wore. Comfort creates confidence, and confidence changes the way you stand and walk. When your clothes fit beautifully, you stop adjusting them every few minutes. You naturally appear calm, elegant, and self-assured. Looking expensive after 60 isn't about wearing more. It's about wearing clothes that truly fit you. That simple decision creates timeless elegance every single day.
One of the fastest ways to look expensive after 60 has nothing to do with buying new clothes. It starts with choosing the right colors. Elegant women rarely wear too many bold colors at once. Instead, they build outfits around soft, timeless shades that always feel refined. Ivory, navy, camel, charcoal, olive, chocolate brown, and soft white create a luxurious impression because they are calm and balanced. Rather than chasing bright seasonal colors, they repeat a personal color palette that works beautifully with their skin tone and hair. Wearing one color from head to toe, or combining similar shades, creates a longer, cleaner silhouette that naturally looks sophisticated. If they want a touch of color, they use it carefully. A deep burgundy handbag, a forest green scarf, or a pair of elegant sapphire earrings is often enough. They also pay attention to contrast. Soft combinations usually look richer than harsh contrasts that compete for attention. Another secret is matching the handbag and shoes with the overall palette instead of making them the center of attention. When every color works together, people notice the woman first, not the outfit. That quiet harmony is what creates timeless elegance. Looking expensive isn't about wearing more colors. It's about choosing fewer colors with greater intention. As we've discovered throughout today's journey, looking expensive after 60 has very little to do with spending more money. It isn't about chasing every new fashion trend. It isn't about filling your wardrobe with designer labels. And it certainly isn't about trying to look younger than you are. Real elegance comes from something much more powerful. It comes from making thoughtful choices every single day. Choosing beautiful fabrics that last for years instead of months. Choosing clothes that fit your body comfortably and naturally. Choosing colors that work together in quiet harmony. Taking care of every piece you own with pride and patience. And finally, adding those small finishing touches that complete your entire look. A beautiful handbag. A timeless watch. Elegant shoes that are clean and well cared for. A silk scarf worn with confidence. Simple jewelry that compliments you instead of competing for attention. Good posture. A warm smile. Kindness. Confidence. These are the details people remember long after they've forgotten the clothes themselves. Because true style is never created by one expensive item. It's created by dozens of thoughtful decisions working together. Remember, the most elegant women in the world rarely try to impress anyone. They simply know who they are. They dress for themselves. They choose quality over quantity. They choose timeless beauty over temporary trends. And they understand that confidence is the most luxurious thing anyone can wear. So tomorrow morning, before you leave your home, take one extra minute. Look in the mirror. Ask yourself, have I finished my outfit with intention? Maybe it's adding a beautiful scarf. Maybe it's changing your shoes. Maybe it's choosing a softer handbag. Maybe it's simply standing a little taller and smiling a little more. Small changes create remarkable results over time. If today's video inspired you, we'd love for you to become part of the Timeless Grace family. Subscribe to the channel for more timeless fashion, elegant lifestyle ideas, and confidence-building style tips created especially for women over 40, 50, and 60. Every week, we share practical ideas that help you build a wardrobe and a lifestyle that never goes out of style. Thank you so much for watching until the very end. Your time means the world to us. Until we meet again, stay elegant, stay confident, stay graceful, and always remember, true luxury is not about being noticed by everyone. It's about feeling your very best every single day. We'll see you in the next video.